Welcome to DIYish, I'm Chloe, and today I'm going to show you how to use an old spice jar, a large cork, twine, and some red nail varnish to make a health potion for Dungeons and Dragons. You'll also need some red d4 dice and basic supplies. Take the spice jar lid and using a craft knife cut out the centermost part so that the cork fits inside. Heat up your glue gun and glue the cork securely in place. When set, start gluing the twine around the plastic part of the lid. Use something to hold the twine in place so that you don't burn your fingers. Repeat all the way around until the plastic part is no longer visible on the outside. My twine is quite thin, so I'm doing a second layer. Next, use a craft knife or scissors to remove any excess glue inside so that the screw threads are usable. I didn't have any of the right colour nail polish, so I'm mixing a purple and pink to make red. Pour some polish into the jar and careful not to drip too much down the sides. You can use some remover to tidy up any mistakes. Now tip your jar gently round to spread the polish. You want it to look like a red potion is inside. I unintentionally added one of the ball bearings from the nail varnish into the jar. This actually helped to spread it around. You can leave it in there to set or remove with tweezers. Just got those skills. Leave to dry overnight. Just add your D4s and you're ready to heal your party. We hope you like this D&D themed DIY. Thanks for watching, see you next time.